If you are looking for the best whistling tea kettle, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Mr. Coffee Flintshire Stainless Steel Whistling Tea Kettle. The distinctive shape of this tea kettle looks fantastic on the stovetop or around the kitchen. The Mr. Coffee Flintshire Stainless Steel Whistling Tea Kettle is a 1.75-liter capacity tea kettle that can boil water quickly. It has a stainless steel exterior with a bakelite handle that is heat-resistant even at the boiling point. This tea kettle will work on electric and gas stove cooktops, but it is not recommended for use on induction cooktops. Whistling tea kettle alerts when water is boiling recommend you to move after whistle has been blown. Number 2. Poliviar Tea Kettle. If you qualify, then Poliviar Tea Kettle will not disappoint you. It is a 2.7-quart stone finish with a wood pattern designed to be your companion if you want to have the best hot water kettle during your camp or on high mountains. It is a stainless steel teapot with an anti-hot handle and anti-rust body suited for all heat sources. Silicone-coated handle allows you to grab the tea kettle with bare hand without risking burns. Simple touch button provides easy open and amp, close and makes one-hand pouring possible. Number 3. T-fal C76220 Whistling Coffee and Tea Kettle. When it comes to stainless steel tea kettles that can hold heat without translating it to the stainless body and handle of the kettle, the T-fal C76220 is ideal to keep you engaged. The T-fal C76220 has a 3-liter water capacity with a heavy-gauge polished stainless steel body. This kettle boils water quickly as fast as 60 to 90 seconds. It has an inbuilt thermostat that is used to boil the water, after which it turns itself off. This also features built-in whistle signals when water is ready. Number 4. Willow and Amp, Everett Whistling Tea Kettle. Unlike other best stovetop tea kettles made with just 2 or 3 layers of metal, the Willow and Amp, Everett stovetop kettle has 5 layers of high-quality metal, including iron, steel, and aluminum, mixed and designed into an ultra-wide capsule bottom that evenly and quickly heats your water. It has a 3-liter water capacity built to withstand rust, corrosion, dents, scratches, and more. Its mirror finishing touch is shiny and easy to keep clean. It is 100% BPA-free, made of high-quality stainless steel, aluminum, and iron. Number 5. Cuisinart Stainless Steel Stove. The Cuisinart CTKSS17N Stovetop Tea Kettle can hold up to 2 quarts of water. The kettle's whistle is especially loud. This means that you will not have to worry about your kettle boiling for too long unattended. The large handle is designed to be easy to grab hold of. It is very wide and coated with durable silicone in black. This also helps to keep the handle cool at all times. The non-reactive interior helps it to stay in good working condition. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.